everyone, so today we are in Berawa, Canggu. Why we coming here? Because Damian craving for one pizza, and we will take you to stroll around later on after we have a dinner in Berawa, Canggu. This one is a LOsteria pizza, one of Italian restaurant in Canggu. Let's see how it is, because many people saying that this is a nice restaurant in Berawa, Canggu. So this restaurant has a very cute interior design. It's just like in Italian. I don't know which city, but many people say like if you wanna eat a nice pizza, you should go to Italian restaurant. And I will take you to stroll around. Hi. Take to stroll around, look the decor and the interior is just like in Italian. And they also have a bakery here, pastries. Oh, this is an aircon room. I'll show you how it is inside. Oh, look at the pastry. Looks so yum. And this is the aircon room basically. And what I can say, like I told you, the interior is so cute, and you can spot the wine. So I order one dish. I don't know what's the name, which is a pasta with the cheese, and the chef cooking behind me.
Wow, so nice. Sayang, I don't know what do you order because the name was difficult, but looks very nice. Check this out.
I told you in Berawa, Canggu, there are so many nice Western restaurant, Italian. Ooh. And I also saw inside there is Italian chef.
Oh, nice. Let's see. Looks so nice. So good. Very cheesy and sayang cheesy.
Oh.
And pasta is served.
Makasih.
Okay, honey, you try and I will eat it.
Makasih.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You try and I will eat later on. You will have my pizza and I will have your pasta, alright? Hot, be careful. Because you're gonna describe this better than me. Okay.
So good. Our pizza is arrived. What pizza is it then?
Capriccioso.
Ah.
My favorite one.
How is your pizza?
Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. This pizza probably #1 in Bali right now. Hayat San will lose the battle. Hayat San #2, this one #1. I'm telling you honestly, they didn't pay me anything to come here make this. They didn't even give me this food they didn't even give me the free coffee. But pizza is very, very nice. I really like
honest review, yeah?
Honest review, guys. If you're looking for good pizza in Bali, authentic Italian, come here. My recommendation. This restaurant is actually in Berawa, Canggu, and well, Canggu is famous for so many nice, beautiful restaurants around, so we have to start with restaurant. We're gonna show you a little bit of the hood of the Canggu here, and then we're gonna go somewhere looking for the coffee, because we could have a beautiful coffee here, but well, if we're here, we're gonna have an opportunity to show you different places. In the one video, 2 different places in Canggu, Berawa. And then also, as you can see, it's quiet, busy, I could say. So many people everywhere around.
Okay, so we move to the next restaurant to have a coffee and dessert. So this place you see, so many digital nomads are working here. Many people have been asking us also, which one do we prefer, Canggu, Berawa, or Seminyak? Based on our experience, mostly the best quality Western restaurant, they are in Berawa, Canggu. And if we talk about the price, the restaurant, the places, like maybe the boutique shop in Berawa, Canggu is slightly more expensive than Seminyak. Maybe just because many international tourists coming to Canggu, digital nomads, and also what I can observe here, also many wealthy Indonesians coming here to Berawa, Canggu, because there are two big beach clubs in area Berawa Canggu. Over there, you see that there Fins Beach Club and also Atlas Beach Club and San Tropez. No wonder the cost or the price in Canggu are more expensive than Seminyak. So I can say that Canggu is the most expensive area in Bali nowadays.
So we are waiting now for the coffee in the different cafe. Cappuccino here is cost 35 plus 17 or 15% of tax, which is pretty standard in Canggu. You're not gonna get much cheaper than that. And we forgot to mention last time for the pizza and this cheesy pasta and big sparkling water, we paid 300k, which is about $20. Definitely slightly more expensive than Seminyak or anywhere elsewhere, but still the best pizza in Canggu. And many people saying if you are looking for a very good quality Western restaurant, definitely you have to come to Canggu, especially to Berawa, as Winnie said. So that's how it looks like currently in Bali and especially Canggu area.
We just finished our coffee. Now I will take you to stroll around the Berawa area. As you see behind me, already the clinic for 24 hours. In front of me, there is a Japanese restaurant. There is authentic Thai cuisine, Chinese restaurant, Western restaurant. I don't know, motorbikes. He's waving at you. Motorbike with the ads. And then that's the Asian restaurant. And then I'll show you over there is the tattoo shop. And next to it, the boutique. So this is what actually Berawa offers you. There are so many nice Western restaurant and also a nice boutique shop. So yeah, no wonder many people, you know, whenever come to Bali, they choose to stay or they choose to live in Berawa Canggu.
Here is also very nice looking cafe and restaurant, and I think bar, Duatiga or something, tattoo shop, and there is another bar, and even the pharmacy and everything. So well, definitely so much options everywhere around for everything you want to find here in Canggu, guys. Also some cozy looking coffee shop at the corner of this junction. And I think just over here is also very fancy looking boutique. As Winnie mentioned, many boutiques here, and she was right, actually so many. So if you like to shopping for the dresses or any kind of clothes like this one, you can find here as well. This one actually looks very fancy, I'm gonna tell you.
So if we go there straight, there will be a world famous beach club, like I told you, Fins Beach Club, San Tropez and Atlas Beach Club, the biggest beach club in Asia. They advertise it like that. So yeah, this is how Berawa Canggu situation. I think that this area is busy 24/7 because, you know, surrounded is the bar, restaurant, and always live. At the end of this video, we will show you the world famous Canggu shortcut. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.
Never sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle. ever sees me, sees me. I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, sees me. I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, save me? I'm losing every battle.